This concept so that you can understand and prepare the five needs which are there according to the hierarchy given by Mr. Abraham Maslow. So hierarchy needs by Maslow starts with the first needs. Man's needs are varied and these needs are decided on the basis of his mental status. Now, man's needs are varied, we all know that, and these needs are decided on the basis of its mental status. He is motivated if these needs are satisfied, and whenever a man is working in any field, he is satisfied when his needs are satisfied. And many psychologists and management experts have made studies and formulated principles to arrange the needs in a proper order. Now, to satisfy all the needs of the man, many a times it may not be possible, but one or the other way, these needs can be classified from the top level needs to the middle, and middle to the above or the top. From bottom level I can say up to the middle, and middle to the top level, these needs are classified one by one. And the human psychologist Abraham Maslow has presented hierarchy of needs in his Principle of Human Motivation in 1943. When first time it was published, the article in 1943, such five needs are arranged as per the priority. The lowest most needs are classified from that first to third category, which is the physiological needs, safety, and the social needs. The higher level needs includes the esteem and the status needs, and the top level need is self-actualization and self-realization needs. Let us start the first needs, which a man should satisfy at the bottom level, which is the physiological or primary needs. Physiological needs are basic needs of human being. Every humans has having particular kind of the need which is termed as the physiological needs. Basic needs include food, water, clothing, shelter, etc. And food is the basic need to sustain the body. Food is essential. Without food, no living being can be survived or sustained. A hungry person gives importance to the food only. It means that he does not give importance to other needs till the basic needs of food, clothing, and shelter are not satisfied. Unless and until the other needs are not satisfied, the food which a man is not getting, he cannot move to its next need, which is the safety need as per the hierarchy of the needs. The next level need starts with the safety needs. Now, after the physical needs are satisfied, the next needs in the hierarchy is the safety need. A man wants safety, which includes the physical safety, job safety, safety against risk, regularity of the wages, etc. Therefore, man takes the measures like takes the insurance, opens the saving account either in bank or post office, and such a safety is necessary for the mental peace. Yes, of course, all of us wants to be secure about the future, whether it is the job, it is the food, it is the family, it is the insurance, life, health, etc. These are some of the safeties we need in the life, and because a man is satisfied if these safeties can be achieved, so the next need says that the safety of everything should be necessary in the level of the need. The third is the social need. So social need says when the need for security is satisfied, the next in the hierarchy is the social needs. When all this both the needs are satisfied, the next need is the in the hierarchy is the social need. It includes affection and love. Man is a social animal. Of course, he needs affection of the family, friends, relatives, etc. When he wants to live in the society, he always wants love and affection from his family, relative, and society at the large, in which the community or religion he is belonging to. Such needs include feeling of getting love and respect from the family members, friends, relatives, as well as by his colleagues at the workplace and by others in the society. And so, a man is bound by the society, therefore, his social needs can be satisfied. The next in the hierarchical needs, which is the topmost needs, is the esteem and the status needs. Now, above 1, 2, 3 needs are low class needs, as we have discussed in the table earlier. Esteem and the status needs are also known as position need or high class need. Now, as soon as the food, safety, security need is satisfied, a man moves to the next level needs, which is the status needs. All of us wants to create some of the status in our society which we are living. A doctor wants to be a good doctor, a teacher wants to be a good teacher, A lawyer or an engineer wants to be a good engineer. He wants to mark his status in the society, and therefore, these are considered the high level needs. It increases the longing to have one's self appraisal, the respect from colleagues or officers, and increases in reputation. His desire to get his increases. And when these needs are satisfied, a man moves to the next needs. We can say that he wants affection and love from the society, where the office in which he is working, he wants belongingness from its colleague officers. He want to be appraised by rewards, awards, etc. The next and the last level need is the self-esteem and the self-actualization needs. After satisfying above four needs, man tries to satisfy self-esteem or self-actualization needs, which of course is the topmost need. Now this need says that each person wants to get the top position by getting the achievement. Irrespective of any field a man is working, he wants to be famous and he wants to make his name in such a way that everyone can know him. One's name is considered with pride and in the best way. Now, all of us are working, but the pattern of the working of most of the successful persons are different, basically named as the personalities. And with all this best in their work field, they want to famous. Example, Zakir Hussain in playing tabla. It doesn't mean other are not playing tabla, but Zakir Hussain is the best of all. And through we can say that Zakir Hussain is satisfying his self-actualization need also by becoming the famous or holding one's name in the field of the tabla playing. In the another way, Shiv Kumar Sharma in playing Santur, Sachin Tendulkar in field of cricket, Amitabh Bachchan in field of acting, and Lata Mangeshkar in field of vocal music. These are some of the examples. In this way, a person needs are satisfied by this hierarchical needs of Abraham Maslow.